Children, till question 5 we have done of exercise 9.1. Let's start with question number 6. In question number 6, this is exercise 9.1. Question number 6 I am doing. The question is 1.5 meter tall boy. Suppose this is a ground level. 1.5 meter tall boy. Okay. He is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. This is 30 meter tall building. This is 30 meter tall building, right? He is standing at some distance and the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building, angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building, it increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. He is walking towards the building. So after some time he reach here and his angle of elevation increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. Previously this was 30 degree and now it is 60 degree, and you have to find the distance he walked towards the building. Means you have to find this distance. Suppose this distance is x, so you have to find x. Clear? Now children listen. Suppose this is angle A, this is B, this point is C and this point is D. Now you know this complete is 30 degree, 30 meter. This complete is 30 meter. So if this is 1.5 meter, this is 1.5 meter, so rest this will be 28.5 meter. This height AC will be 28.5 meter. So first of all, what we do, we take triangle. We have how many right angle triangles? We have two right angle triangles. One is triangle ABC, other is triangle ADC. So in these two triangles we do our questions. First see triangle ABC, ABC, and second triangle we will take ADC. Okay? Suppose this is a y distance and this is x distance. In triangle ABC, perpendicular is 28.5 upon base is y is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3 upon 1. Clear? Now y will go to this side, 28.5, and 1 will go to this side, into 1 will be root 3 into y. So y will be equal to 28.5 upon root 3. Clear? Root 3, we don't keep the root in the denominator, so let's do rationalization. 28.5 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3, it will come out to be 28.5 root 3 upon 3. 3 9 the 27, decimal 3 5 the 15, root 3 meter. Clear? Now come to triangle ADC. In ADC triangle, perpendicular is 28.5 upon base is x plus y is equal to tan 30 degree, and tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Now do cross multiplication. 28.5 root 3 is equal to x plus y. Now the value of y we have got 9.5. So 28.5 root 3 is equal to x plus 9.5. 9.5 root 3. So what x will be getting? 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3. It come out to be 19.5 root 3. Okay, it is 19.5 root 3 meter. Sorry, not 19.5, it come out to be 19.0. Only 19. 19 into root 3. Clear? Now 19 into value of root 3 is 1.73. Root 3 is not 1.73, it is endless value because it is irrational number. Okay, I am just writing it here till 2 decimal places. So now you just multiply it. What we will be getting? 19 3 the 57, carry 5. Okay, 19 7 the 133, 133 and 5 138, 13, 19 1 the 19 and 13, 32. So approximately, put here approximately sign, because we never get the exact value. At the last it might be 32.9 something, because root 3 it might have taken till 3 decimal places. I have taken just 2 decimal places, so here this is approximate answer, and approximation sign is must. Clear? So this is very easy question. 1.5 meter tall boy is standing in front of 30 meter tall building, and from his eyes, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower was 30 degree, and he walked toward the tower. The angle of elevation become 60 degree. Now this is 1.5 meter tall boy. 1.5 meter tall boy. So this is height of 1.5. Total height जो है it is 30. 1.5 will be gone. So how much will be left? 28.5. This. Clear? So first this angle of elevation was 30 degree, and then angle of elevation has become 60 degree. So there are two right angle triangle, ABC and ADC. In ABC, perpendicular is this, base is this. So let us suppose this is y is equal to tan 60. That is root 3. 28.5 upon y is equal to root 3 by 1. So y will be 28.5 upon root 3. Do rationalization. Root 3 multiply, root 3 divide. In the denominator come out to be 28.5 upon 3, and root 3 will be here. Cut it. 3 9 the 27.35 the 15. It come out to be 9.5 root 3 meter. Clear? Now come to triangle ADC. Perpendicular is 28.5. Base is x plus y is equal to angle is tan 30. Value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Clear? So 28.5 root 3 will go up and x plus y go here. Y value is 9.5 root 3. Put it here. Bring it here. Subtract. We will be getting 90. Root 3 is equal to x. Put the value of root 3. You will be getting the value of this x, means how much distance the boy has covered towards the building. Clear? Now come to question next. Next question I am doing is question number 7. In question number 7, In question number 7, from a point on the ground, this is a ground, okay, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. Suppose this is a building, and on the top of this building we have a tower. This is tower. Clear? From a point on the ground, this is a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the bottom, first bottom is written, so first you will make the angle of elevation of the bottom, and top are 45 degree and 60 degree. This is smaller angle 45, this is bigger angle 60 degree. Clear? And you have to find the height of the tower. You have to find this height of the tower. Suppose this is x. Yeah, you can write it as y, and you can put it as h. Okay? And the building height is given 20 meter. This is the height of the building, 20 meter. Clear? You have to find this height of the tower. Now, let us suppose this base is x. Clear? Again, here also we have two triangles. Suppose this is A, B, C, and this point is D. So here we have two triangles. One is triangle ABC and second is triangle DBC. In triangle DBC, okay, I am taking triangle ABC first. In triangle ABC, perpendicular is 20 plus h. This is complete perpendicular, and base is x is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 value is root 3. So let us stop it here. Now come to triangle DBC. In triangle DBC, perpendicular is 20. You know P upon B is equal to tan theta. Right? You can, instead of taking perpendicular and base, you can take it as the side opposite and side adjacent also. Like that point also you can take. Okay? Now, this is the perpendicular is 20 and base is x is equal to angle is tan 45 degree, and value of tan 45 degree is 1. So 20 upon x is equal to 1. So this implies x is equal to 20. Clear? This value of x we will put here. 20 plus h is equal to root 3 x. 20 plus h is equal to root 3. In place of x we will put 20. H will become 20 root 3 minus 20. This 20 will go to that side. H will be 20 common root 3 minus 1. This is 20. What is the value of root 3? 1.73 I am taking just. I am taking the approximate value. Minus 1. It is 20 into 0.73. It is 20 into 73 upon 100. Approximate. All the values are going approximately values. Cut. 2, 3 the 6, 2, 7 the 14 upon 10. So approximately 14.6 meter. So height of the tower is approximately 14.6 meter. Is it clear, children? Very simple. This is a building. On the building we have a tower, and from the point on the ground, the bottom is making angle 45 degree, and the top of the tower, the angle formed is 60 degree. So we have two triangles, ABC and DBC. In ABC, perpendicular is 20 plus h upon base is x is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. 20 plus h is equal to root 3 x. Okay, leave it here. Let's see the other side also. Here in this triangle, perpendicular is 20, base is x, 20 upon x is equal to tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So 20 upon x is equal to 1, so x will be 20. This x is equal to 20, we will put here. It is here. Okay, h will be 20 root 3 minus 20. 20 will be common, root 3 minus 1. Root 3 value is 1.73 minus 1. This whole calculation you will do, and you will be getting this answer. Is it clear, children? Now come to question number, I am doing question number 10 for you, right? I am going to do question number 10 for you now. In question number 10, the statement is two poles of equal heights. Two poles of equal heights. This is one pole. This is second pole. They are of equal heights. They are standing opposite each other on either side of the road. This is the road. This is road. This is pole 1. This is pole 2. Both are of equal height. Clear? From a point on the ground, they are on the other side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. This road is 80 meter wide. Clear? From a point between them on the road, from any point between them on the road, this is point P. Clear? The angle of elevation of the top of the two poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. So one angle is, suppose this point is here, not there. One angle of elevation is 60 degree, and other angle of elevation is 30 degree. Clear? Two poles equal height standing each other on the either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the pole. Means you have to find h also, you have to find this x also, and you have to find this y also. Look, suppose this is x. So this will be naturally, this portion will be 80 minus x, because total length is 80. So if this portion from here to here is x, so this to this portion will be 80 minus x. Suppose this is triangle A, B and C, and this is D, C and E. Okay, let's take two triangles ABC and triangle DCE. In ABC and DCE. In triangle ABC, perpendicular is h upon base is x is equal to tan 60, and value of tan 60 is root 3. H will be equal to root 3 into x. Clear? Now take triangle DCE. Perpendicular again same, it is height, same height, perpendicular is h, base is 80 minus x is equal to tan 30 degree. Okay, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So root 3 into h will be equal to 80 minus x. Clear? Is it clear? Now, you know h is root 3x. So I am putting here, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Put equation 1 in equation 2. Root 3 into h is equal to 80 minus x. Root 3, h is root 3x is equal to 80 minus x. Root 3, in place of h you will write root 3x. So root 3 into root 3, 3x is equal to 80 minus x. It will be, x will come to this side, 4x is equal to x. So x will be 80 upon 4, it come out to be 20 meter. So you have got x 20 meter. So if this is 20, so naturally this will be 60 meter. It means BC is 20 meter and this CE will be 80 minus 20, that is 60 meter. Clear? Now we have to find h also, height also. H is root 3 into x. In place of x you will put 20. So 20 root 3, it come out to be meter. Again 20 root 3 is 1.73. Multiply it, you will get 14.6 meter. Sorry, not 14.6, you will be getting 3 to 6, 34.6 meter. Clear? Any doubt? So let's do this question once again. This is a point. From this point there are two poles. From one point the angle of elevation is 60 degree. From the same point the angle of elevation on the other pole is 30 degree. So we have to find the height of the pole and the position of the point also from the poles. Clear? So here two right angle triangles are formed. In this right angle triangle, perpendicular is h, base is 20, is equal to tan 60. H upon x is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3, h is equal to root 3 into x. In this triangle, perpendicular is h, base is, if this portion is x, so this will be 80 minus x. Upon 80 minus x is equal to tan 60, 1 by root 3. So root 3 will go up, root 3h is equal to 80 minus x. Now this is root 3h is equal to 80 minus x and here h is root 3x. So put this value of h in this equation. Root 3h is equal to 80 minus x. Root 3 in place of h put this one value is equal to 80 minus x. 3x is equal to 80 minus x. Bring x to this side. 4x is equal to 80. X will be 80 upon 4, 20 meter. Clear? And if x is 20, then h will be root 3x, root 3 into 20, 20 into 1.73, it come out to be 34.6 meter. Is it clear? Any doubt? Now, shall we come to this question number 11 now. A TV tower question number 11. Figure is there also. A TV tower stands vertically on the bank of a canal. Okay, and this figure is 9.12 is given beta. A TV tower stands vertically on the bank of a canal from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point on the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. This is a tower, right? And here we have canal. Clear? And from this point of the canal, this angle of elevation is 60 degree, and then 20 meter away, means this distance is 20 meter, there is one more point, and from this point angle of elevation is 30 degree. We have to find the height of the tower and we have to find the width of the canal. Height of the tower we have to find, and width of canal we have to find. Clear? Now again same, take this triangle A, B, C and D. We have two right angle triangles, this one and this one. Take triangle ABC and triangle ADC. In this triangle ABC, perpendicular is H, base is X is equal to tan 60 degree, and tan 60 degree value is root 3. H is equal to root 3 into X. Clear? Now in this triangle ADC, perpendicular is H, upon base is complete, this one, 20 plus X is equal to tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree value is 1 upon root 3. Now cross multiply bete, root 3h will be 20 plus x. This is your second equation. Clear? Now from this equation and from this equation we will find value of x and h. Both. We want to find h also and we want to find x also. Put this value of h in equation 1. Put equation 1, in equation 2. Equation 2 is root 3h is equal to 20 plus x. Root 3, in place of h you will put root 3x is equal to 20 plus x. Root 3 into root 3 is 3x is equal to 20 plus x. 3x minus x is equal to 20. 2x is equal to 20. X is equal to 10 meter. So this width of the canal is 10 meter. Now we have to find h. You know h is equal to root 3 into x. Root 3 in place of x what you will put? 10. So it is 10 root 3 meter. 10. What is the value of root 3? 1.73. Multiply it, you will be getting 17.3 meter. Is it clear? Look once again. Figure is also given to us. This is a tower. From one point we have got the angle 60 degree. From 20 meter away, from another point angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay, we have to find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Take this triangle ABC. Perpendicular is h, upon base is x is equal to tan 60 degree. Come to triangle ADC. perpendicular is h, base is x plus 20 is equal to tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 and here tan 60 is root 3. H upon x is equal to root 3. H will be root 3x. Here h upon 20 plus x is equal to tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. So root 3h will be 20 plus x. From this equation and this equation we will find h and x. Write this equation. In place of h you put this value is equal to 20 plus x. Root 3 into root 3, 3x is equal to 20 plus x. This x will come to this side, become minus. 2x is equal to 20, x will be 10. Now this x 10 we will put here. H will be root 3 into 10. 10 root 3. 10 into 1.73, 17.3 meter. Clear, children? So next questions we will do in the Google Meet. Thank you. Have a nice day.